What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. Today we have the must-have accessories for the iPhone 13, whether you have the regular 13, the Pro, or the Max. Okay, we got several different products right here. One of them that's not on display is my Apple Watch, which will be included on the list, but I got it on right now, so we Gucci. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps the channel out. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It definitely helps the channel out. We got Spidey, our official timekeeper right here. You can't see him because he out of frame right now. It's too much on the table. Too much. He didn't want to be involved in all that. So we're going to hit on the first item first. We got the Spigen, and let me see if I can get this right. Valentinus wallet. The MagSafe compatible wallet. So I think this is just a cool accessory to have. I feel kind of funny about having my cards out on display on the back of here. It snaps right on, as you can see. I don't know. You let me know what you feel about this. I think it's a cool looking accessory. Whether it's practical or not, I think it is. I just wouldn't put anything important back here like your actual debit card or your ID or anything like that, just in case. Because look, it's not latched on. It's a magnet. So if you slide it in somewhere and this thing falls off, guess what? Your freaking debit card's gone, your ID's gone, and you SOL, essentially. So right now, all I have in here is this freaking, my little Disney pass card and this little like piece of thing that comes in here already. Let me see if I can get this out. So yeah, just my little Disney pass holder card and this little black little leather thing that comes in here. Nothing of significant importance, but if I'm going to Disney, I'll leave this in here. But I'm damn sure not putting my freaking credit card or nothing like that in here, because somebody get my information, we fighting. That's all I gotta say. So anyways, speaking Valentinus wallet with MagSafe capability, that's about 26 bucks on Amazon. And the link for all this stuff will be in the description down below. Next thing on the list, we have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Mag Case, and this is the clear one. You can get this for about $19 to $20 on Amazon. I say this is a must-have accessory because whenever you get a phone, at least the type of guy I am, I always want to have it on display in some fashion. So if I'm not rocking it raw dog, bare bones, but I still want to see my phone, I always get a clear case for any phone that I have. So like I said, you can get this on Amazon. Get a clear case. You can still show off the color. Definitely if you got the gold one. If you got the gold iPhone, you know, you want to show that off. It snaps on pretty well. It has protection on it. It's raised a little bit, so you're not going to have any trouble with it dropping, at least on any angle or face down straight like this, which most phones don't drop that way anyway. They usually drop on one of the corners. But you can see the graphite through it, and if you want to correlate the color with your phone, you can pick which color of the ring you want, the MagSafe ring, and it'll match up accordingly. But big fan of the clear case. That is a Spigen Ultra Hybrid Mag Case. Alright, another thing which you definitely need, which Apple keeps playing games and not including it in the freaking box. I had to get a dongle. I had to get 2 of these dongles off of Amazon. So this is the official Apple 3.5 millimeter lightning headphone jack adapter, aka the dongle, because that's too long. So I bought 2 of these on Amazon for about $7.20 or each. They have ones that are sold on Amazon, but they are not the official Apple ones. So if I'm shooting a video on my phone and I need to connect the microphone, if you use any dongle besides the one that comes with Apple, it will not work. Apple did some kind of trickery and wizardry and made it so you can only use this product to connect the microphone to. I shoot videos sometimes on my phone, so I needed this. Must have accessory, definitely for content creators. Get you a dongle, link in the description. I got 2 of these bad boys, just in case. Just in case. We have the Powerbeats Pros. These aren't the latest ones, but having a set of wireless headphones definitely helps, because if you don't want to use the dongle and you just want to connect via Bluetooth, it's super convenient if you're going on a run or something. You don't want wired headphones attached. So the next thing, as you can see to my left, this is a 4-in-1 magnetic wireless charging station. So this thing can do a couple different things. You can charge your Apple Pencil right here. You can charge your Apple Watch right here. Charge your phone right here. And on the back, you can charge your AirPods. So if you have some AirPods, I don't have any yet, but I'm gonna get some pretty soon. You can charge your AirPods there. But this is awesome for an iPhone 12 or 13 because it has that MagSafe. It will snap right into place. So this won't go anywhere. It'll stay on here. And sometimes, as you can see, it pulls the thing out. So this station is also pretty good because you can plug this bad boy down here. So if you don't want, for some reason, if you don't want your phone on display like straight up like this, you can sit it on the side and have a little bit more space for whatever else you're trying to do. So I definitely recommend this kind of charger. The link will be in the description. This is super convenient. I use this every single day. But that's just me. You might not. But I love this thing. Oh, let me put this right here. Back on display for you guys. All right. So the next thing, and this is a big one for me. This is the Spigen Mag Armor case, and this is the black one. I always get a black case for my phones because I usually get like a darker color. So Spigen makes really, really good cases. So I usually always have the clear case to show off the phone, and then a black thinner case because I don't want like a big bulky one like OtterBox, because I don't want my phone being larger than what it is, because like I told you guys, I always usually get the larger phones. So Spigen makes really good cases, so I made sure to get the Spigen Mag Armor case in black. You can get this on Amazon for about $25. Okay, it's super thin, it's MagSafe compatible, so you snap it on right there, pow, 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 and everything's good. And it also goes with, if you have the black wallet as well, snap that on. Look how convenient that is. I feel like a new age man with this bad boy. Like, I got important stuff to do on my calendar. I got meetings and stuff. You can't talk to me. I'm on the phone. I'm on the phone. You know, it just makes me feel legit out here. So I really like this. Black on black. Can't get any better than that. Your boy's rhyming. That's what I do all the time. And oh, that bar was kind of weak though, but hey, it's in there. It's in there. And like I said, last thing, which is not really on display, but my Apple Watch. It doesn't matter which Apple Watch you get, preferably. But I have the Apple Watch SE. This is kind of recent. I think this came out last year. We're in 2022 now, making big moves. But get an Apple Watch. This Apple Watch SE is $279. Must-have accessory for this. Definitely if you're an active person, you want to keep up with your health, so on and so forth. You use it for workouts. Obviously, if you want to tell time, calendar, Apple Pay, all that good stuff. Get you an Apple Watch. It works well with an iPhone. So these are the iPhone 13 must-have accessories, at least according to Gould's Gaming and Tech. So if your list is a little bit different than mine, hold on. It is okay. Don't trip. Don't trip. These are just some things that I recommend for the day-to-day person. You're looking for some accessories that kind of might be cool and make your life a little bit more convenient. And just so you can put that iPhone 13 on display the right way. Damn, I'm dropping bars again. All right. Clear case, black case, MagSafe wallet, charging dock station, dongle, very important, dongle, wireless headphones, Apple Watch. We keeping it moving. Thank you guys for tuning into the video. I greatly appreciate it. Hopefully this information was somewhat helpful to you. And if it was, make sure to hit that like button. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace. It's good, Spidey. Can't forget about you, sir. You gotta get you some airtime because you let Dwight kind of take your space. We good? We good. Peace.